Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be learning how to use the calculator, and we're going to look at how to do these normal distributions and finding the probability between these or of these inequalities, the probability. So if I look at this one, this is 40 less than x less than 48. Let me draw that out. So that's 40. This is 48. And we're looking for this probability. So let me show you how to do that on the calculator. It is a distribution. So you're going to use the distribution feature, which is right above the vars. To get to that, push second and then vars. Now this gives you the distribution functions. So that's probability distribution function, which is looking for an individual probability. Most of the time you're not going to be using that with these. You're going to be using CDF. CDF stands for cumulative. So it's like all of those from 40 to 48, all those probabilities. Inverse, given the probability, you find it gives you the value or the z-score, and for inverse t gives you the t-score given the probability. T stands for the t distribution. You have chi-squared distribution, the f distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, geometric distribution. And so all those can be used with your calculator. So this is a normal distribution. So we're going to use normal CDF. And notice how this is in between. Clear that for a moment. So that's 40 is the lower. Read it from left to right. 48 is the upper. 43 is our mean. And 3.5 is our standard deviation. Now this is a TI-84 Plus. So with the TI-84 Plus, it has this feature where it tells you what to plug in, as opposed to if it was like an earlier edition or like a TI-83, it wouldn't have this. You would just have to list it in that same order: lower, upper, mean, standard deviation. Now if it was z-scores, for the mean would be 1, and then for the standard deviation it would be for the mean it would be 0, and for the standard deviation it would be 1 for z-scores. Right, so enter, and we found our probability. I'm going to round to 4 decimal places because we can. So that's approximately 0.727, and that's a 5, so we're going to round up to 8. All right, let's look at that next one. So this is 52 and above. So 52 is right here, and above, it's going on forever to positive infinity. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually use a very large positive number. And the very large positive number that we're going to use is 1 EE 99. The 1 is 1. The EE actually stands for scientific notation. So 1 times 10 raised to 99 power. I'll show you how to type that in. You want to type in a very large positive number, and it doesn't matter what. This just guarantees a more accurate answer because it's very, very, very large. All right, so let's type that in. So again, second, and then distribution. And then we're going to go to, whoops, Normalcdf. All right, our lower now is 52. You read it from left to right. So we're going to type in that number into the calculator. So push 1. Now to get the EE, there's the EE button right there above the comma. Right, it's in blue. So push second, and then the EE button is going to show up just as E. That's fine. 99. You can remember E also for E for exponent, because that's essentially what it is. It's 10 raised to 9/9 power. The mean and the standard deviation is the same. So paste. If you had like a TI-84, you would separate these by the comma button and type it in the same order. And that gives us, we're going to use 4 decimal places again, so it's approximately 0.0051. All right, now let's look at that last one we have there. So 39, x is less than 39, so it's everything less than 39. So 39 is right here. And then everything less is right there. So it's going in the, not in the positive direction, but in the negative direction. So it's going to be a very large negative number. So we're going to use -1 EE 99. All right, we're going to do the same thing again, push second, and then vars takes us to this screen. We're going to use, I went push enter right away. Whoops. All right, so Normalcdf, use the arrows. All right, -1 E99 is already in there. I'm going to delete that. So the way that you type it in is 1 negative and then 1 E, the EE button, then 99. You want to do it from left to right, so this is the lower, this would be the upper. 39. The mean is 43. And then 3.5, same as before. And then push enter, and then enter again. And again, we'll do 4 decimal places. So that's approximately 0.1265. And that's it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. All right, bye.